If you choose to stand during a flight, then please hold
Alam mo yung feeling na parang luto.
Let me remind you that this is a non-smoking flight, so smoking is forbidden. Please prepare for change of clothes.
This is a non-smoking flight. Ayun o.
Una pala nga.
Oh, yung unang-una yung sa taas.
Orange County Landmark that has been flying guests over Knott's Berry Farm since 1976. The Sky Cabin, which you are currently riding, was originally
Parang dyan siya kinakabakit pa
transported in
ako.
several sections in the
Kinakabakit pa ako.
Sigsaging pala yung ganda. Sigsaging yung mga gano'n.
outside your window as we tell you some of the sightseeing street. To the south, you will see Hangzhou, which takes riders up a 15-story lift hill and suspends them at the top before descending down on the
Nakabend lang yung mismo.
To the east, you will see many sites within our Fiesta Village and Camp Snoopy areas. That mountain range, for instance, is our Timber Mountain Range. It was the first theme park in and it opened in 1969 and remains to this day one of our most popular attractions. Just beyond those tall pine trees is where you'll be able to set up camp with the Peanuts Gang. Camp Snoopy, which opened in 1983, was the first theme park area that was dedicated to children under 12 years of age. In the distance, you can see an ancient Aztec temple, which is our Jaguar trip, a family roller coaster that sends passengers on an exciting tour around Fiesta Village, through the loop of Montezuma's Revenge, and around the Western Lake. Speaking of Montezuma's Revenge, it opened on May 25, 1978, making it Knott's Berry Farm's longest-standing roller coaster. Montezuma's Revenge is an exciting ride that catapults passengers out of the station 55 miles per hour. After a moment of wait, the train zooms down the tower, backwards, goes back for a loop, and passes the station up a second 112-foot tower, then back down the tower into the station. Just to the north, you'll see Accelerate, a high-speed 1950s theme roller coaster that uses a hydraulic launch system to catapult guests from 0 to 2 seconds.
May pen niya ko dito.
Walang ano dito, hindi nakikita.
Baga may penny ako dito.
To the west,
Sa'yo na yung bag.
which features our family
Sa'yo
coaster.
na yan.
Those riders, Pacific
Local sila. Yung ano yung hindi ko sinubukan yung Sky Ranch, yung sa roller coaster. Bagal daw lang eh.
Kaya parang ganun lang mga gusto ko. Tsaka medyo mababaw lang siya.
Sa Sky Ranch.
Parang UK.
Ay, pwede octopus.
Ano yun ba?
Ulit.
Ayun yung nasa dulo yung itim.
Roller coaster yun. Roller coaster yun. Oh, ayun, nakita mo.
Angas nga eh.
Parang hindi mo mag-roller coaster.
Sobrang taas po. Wait.
Ayan mo, tingnan mo yung patangas. So, siguro nakagano na ako.
Bakit ka na sa puso niya ba?
Hindi na ako titigil.
May blood ka na.
Lalagyan ka.
Kasi siyempre madami.
Yan lang ang kaya ko dati.
You want to try that? The roller coaster? Are you afraid of that?
Kung afraid ako, wala na akong crush. Kung afraid ako, wala na akong crush.
Dala lang tayo sa under sa kayo.
Si ate hindi na natatakot si ate.
Kasi nakasakay na siya.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Sa...
just been cleared to land in Knott's
Paano
Berry
pa
Farm.
bubog sila sa iyo?
Please make sure you have collected all of the one owners belongings you have on you. If you require assistance exiting the Sky Cabin, please remain in your seat until all other passengers
Paano ko sa gitna?
One of our crew members will be pleased to assist you. On behalf of Knott's Berry Farm and the entire crew, we are looking forward to seeing you on board again in the near
Kasama natin
future.
sila.
Have a nice day.
Isang peso.
Ay, Papa, pwede mo makita yung wait time ng mga
Yung
mga rides? Yung mga wait time?
mga wait time. Ewan ko, hindi ko nakita
Ito yung sa kanya, 2 hours yung wait time ng isang
Pero depende sa
Siyempre, sa pagkain.
Siyempre,